Hello viewers, I am Dr. Rajeshwari, Professor of ENT at the All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore. A lot of my patients ask me, ma'am, how do we take care of the ear? Is it okay to clean the ear with earbuds? Is wax a dirt? Is it necessary to wipe the ear canal dry after a bath? Would you recommend use of headsets or earphones for hearing? All these questions have prompted me to make a public educated video. Ear is a special sense organ. It has two functions. One, it helps you in hearing, and second, it helps you in the balance of your body. Ear has three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Wax is a secretion of certain specialized glands in the outer ear. When freshly formed, it is yellow in color, it's oily in nature, and sticky. Over a period of time, it can turn brown or even dark brown. Wax is to ear what tear is to the eye. Wax protects the ear canal and the eardrum from dust, pollutants, contaminants, and microbes. So wax is microbicidal. Hence, wax is not a dust. However, in some patients, when the ear canal is narrow, or if there is a dry hot weather, or if there is an excessive secretion of wax, this wax tends to accumulate in the ear canal and will fill the ear canal. It is then that the patients can have symptoms like ear pain, deafness, obstruction of the ear, and a ringing sound in the ear called tinnitus, or some patients may even experience vertigo. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is time to see your ENT doctor. The ear canal moves during the act of chewing. So whatever sticks to the walls of the ear canal falls off to the floor of the ear canal during the act of chewing, and hence is cleared off by the macrophages of the ear. Hence you don't need to clean your ear. The shape of the ear canal is S-shaped. It is not straight. It is tortuous. At the other end of the ear canal, you have the delicate eardrum. So when water enters, it's very difficult for water to enter the ear. And if water enters, it is difficult for it to stagnate because of the shape of the ear canal. So normally, it's not required to wipe your ear dry after a bath. However, if you are a swimmer, we cannot ensure the sterility of the swimming pool. Hence, if you are a professional swimmer, please use ear protective devices. Sometimes it happens that you take a plunge into the seawater or into a riverbed or into a well, or might have gone to an amusement park and played. So in such situations, you are in fear that the water has entered your ear. In such situations, don't clean your ear. Just bend your head with the ear endermost, so whatever water is collected would flow out easily. So there's no need for you to wipe the ear canal dry. But however, if you suspect that there are sand particles, then please see your doctor and get it syringed. When it comes to taking care of the ear, there are certain don'ts. Do not venture to clean the ear with hairpins, earbuds, metallic scoops, feathers, cotton, cloth or paper. By doing so, you damage the delicate ear canal skin and make yourself vulnerable for an infection. And if you are a little too enthusiastic in cleaning, you could even rupture the eardrum, which could result in deafness. Some patients also use warm oil when they have ear pain. Well, this is not recommended. It's a myth that the warm oil can reduce your pain. Instead, it can damage your eardrum. Some patients also use garlic pods when they experience ear pain. Now, well, this is again a myth, and you should not be doing that. And by doing so, garlic is organic, so a fungal infection becomes inevitable, and more so in diabetics. Wearing of headsets or wearing of earphones, listening to loud blaring musics, or listening to cracker sounds or bursting crackers close to the ear can damage the delicate hair cells of your inner ear and cause an irreversible damage. So it is not advised. Now, aging is a process and it is natural. Patients, when they experience aging, and if they also have systemic illness like diabetes and hypertension, slowly hearing impairment sets in. So after 45, if you experience any hearing issues, it is time to consult your doctor. And there are some symptoms of the ear which you cannot treat at home, like for example ear pain, ear discharge, sounds in the ear, deafness or giddiness. If you experience any of these symptoms, please seek medical help. Have a safe ear and have a healthy hearing and balance. Thank you.